Hello and welcome to our program, The Word for Today. We read the book of the Acts of the Apostles, chapter 11, from verse 1 to verse 18, and tells us that the Gentiles also are invited to conversion that leads to the salvation offered by God to all. This text is part of the whole book of the Acts of the Apostles, which speaks about the first missions of the apostles. We read this from chapter 6, verse 1 to chapter 12, verse 25. We read here that Peter justifies his conduct before the authorities, but he is not limited to his defense, as he takes advantage to show that the Lord's Spirit is alive. The Spirit shows himself to all people, saying that God makes no difference between people. We read, "So, if God gave them the same gift as he gave us, who believed in the Lord Jesus Christ, who was I to think that I could oppose God?" We read this in the chapter 11, verse 17. For us today, this text shows that Peter behaves as an instrument of Lord's Spirit to open the windows of faith to all people. From now on, the Gentiles are welcomed without submitting to the legal requirements of Judaism. Lord's Spirit is slowly showing that the emphasis now is no longer on the observance of external rules rather than internal in hearts and minds. In our next program, we will see that the Greeks who are invited to receive the good news about Jesus. Thank you and God bless you all. See you in the next program.